Good morning to all. This is exercise 3.2 question number 5. In the given figure, if AB is parallel to CD, angle APQ equal to 50 degrees and angle PRD equal to 127 degrees, find X and Y. Find X and Y. Angle APQ equal to 50 degrees. PRD 127 degrees they are given. What we need to find out? X value and Y value. Okay. X equal to angle APQ. X equal to angle APQ. This is X is interior angles. Alternate interior angles. See children, X and 50 both of alternate interior angles. That's why X equal to 50 degrees. Now Y value. Now see the figure, this both of a linear pair of angles. The sum of two angles equal to 180. Now we easy to find out Y value. Angle PRD equal to angle APR. Alternate interior angles. PRD, that is 127 degrees in given. APR, that is APQ, because of alternate interior angles, this side also same, plus Y. This is linear pair of angles, this both of. So APQ plus Y. We know APQ, that is 50 degrees, X plus Y. 127 plus 50, this side coming means minus 50. Minus 50 equal to Y. 127 minus 50, 77 degrees. Subtraction doing means Y value is 77 degrees. Okay, we got Y value and X value. Next question. Continue the exercise. Question number 6. In the figure, PQ and QRS are two mirrors. See children, here PQ and RS is two mirrors. PQ and RS two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes mirror PQ. AB, this is AB, sticks PQ mirror, and B, the reflected ray moves along the path BC and sticks the mirror RS at C, and again to reflect the back along CD. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Yes, first of all we need to write what is given in question. First, PQ is parallel to RS. AB, BC, CD are rays. AB is parallel to CD. BM is perpendicular to PQ, and CN is perpendicular to RS. Okay, now we'll solve the proof. Here BM is parallel to CN. BM is parallel to CN. See children, PQ is parallel to RS, they are given. So BM is parallel to CN. Perpendicular on parallel are also parallel. These both are also equal. Now parallel means angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4 because of law of a reflection. See here, law of a reflection. Next, that is equation 1. Now angle 2 equal to angle 3. See children, see the figure. Angle 2 equal to angle 3. Angle 2 equal to angle 3 because of alternate interior angles. Interior angles means one angle we need to find out, same that angle also same. So that is called alternate interior angles. So that's why angle 2 and angle 3 alternate interior angles. Angle 1 equal to angle 4 also. angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 3, because of see the angle 1 equal to angle 2 equation 1, so like that. So all are equal, means all angles are equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 4 by equation 1. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 1, which one? That one, see the figure children here. Angle 1 means this is a ABC, so that only I wrote here, angle ABC. And angle 3 plus angle 4, which one? That one, BCD. Angle ABC equal to angle BCD. Angle ABC equal to angle BCD. These are alternate interior angles. These are alternate interior angles. These are alternate interior angles. Therefore AB is parallel to CD. Therefore AB is parallel to CD. Okay children, this exercise completed. Thank you.